I'm also recording this. Make sure that, because you have to do this every week. That's why look at this carefully. Nobody, do not take this easily. Okay. So look at this carefully. You will be doing this again and again, again and again. That's why it's very critical. Okay. Open Google Classrooms, all of you. In the Google Classroom, when you click on it, you will have this particular class displayed. This is a student account. So these are 4 classes for me. I have enrolled in 4 classes. This is a test student account. Whereas you are part of this particular class. October batch, machine learning, stat info, DV analytics, batch 2. You must see this batch. Once you are on this page, send me a message in the chat window. Already opened Google Classroom. Once you are here, please send me a message. Everyone need to send me a message once you are in the Google Classroom. Dinesh is already done. Now, once you are in this space, the major part where you have to check is classroom. Look at this, stream, classroom, people. People, these are our colleagues, but what we have to look at is classroom. Classroom is the place where you need to be always. If I were you, what I want you to do is make this as bookmark. Add this page as bookmark page, okay? Put a shortcut for it. Add it to your bookmarks. Are you with me? Bookmark this page, Control D if you possible. Okay, because you will be requiring in these 3 months, you will be reaching here almost every week or even every day if you are doing the assignments thoroughly. Are you with me? Classroom is the place. Classroom. Can you see the classroom? And these are all the class files. As of now, you have course details section, introduction to data science, ML, AI. You have the introduction slides. You have the previous class videos. Later on, the class videos that I am recording here, they will be also uploaded to DV Analytics website. You can access from there also. Python programming for data science, programming class, tomorrow's class material, this one, PPT, code and all that, everything is here. I'll come back to this little later. Python programming class, okay? Basically, you have to click on classwork. All of you are on the classwork, right? Basic description statistics, and I'll be adding more and more sections. In fact, if I go back to my previous class, this is your previous batch, okay? That was done started in August or sometime. If I go to their classwork, so many things are there. We have taken one interview resources, course files, Python installation, introduction class, Python programming, basic statistics, database, linear regression, logistration, decision trees, model selection, feature engineering, clustering, random forest, boosting, NLP, and there are so many TensorFlow and all those things are there. Slowly our curriculum will also get developed and uploaded one by one week. As of now, I have uploaded 4. Okay, as of now, I have uploaded 4 sections here. Okay, this is where you have to first come. Okay, now tomorrow's class is Python programming, right? So you have to go to class material. What I'll be doing is every week I'll be uploading the class material either on Thursday or Friday. For the Saturday, Sunday class, 1 or 2 days before, I'll be uploading the class material. All of you, you know what you have to do? Look at this carefully. You have to click on material, view material. Click on material, and then what do? View material. And then open the material. It will open in Google folder for you. It will open in Google folder. All of you, Google Drive. If you view material, it will get opened in Google Drive. Can you check that, all of you? Can you confirm that Google Drive is a place where it will get opened? Yes, correct. Right? Perfect. Then next step is critical step. Now this is Venkat's Google Drive. Okay, what you need to do is you have to click here add shortcut to my drive. You should have your own copy. You should have a copy of this particular material. Add shortcut to my drive. Can you check that? I'm just waiting for everyone to look at this. So if you click on this small arrow here, add shortcut to drive, and then you can put it in your drive. Add shortcut to drive. Within your drive, as soon as you are being added, you will have this classroom. Look at this. In your drive, you will have classroom. What is the classroom name? October batch, machine learning, Venkat, this one. Here you add shortcut. All of you. Add shortcut. Now this will be in your drive right now. Once again, let me do it again. Python data handling, add shortcut to drive, and choose wherever you want to keep. If you want to arrange it in a different manner, that is fine. Otherwise, classroom folder will be there. You can directly go there. Now I'll go to classroom. You will have only one folder in the classroom. I have 4 folders because I was part of 4 classroom this test account, but this one will be one folder only for you. What is it? October batch. This is Python data handling. This is now sitting inside your document. Okay. Now the last step. The last step is you look at this Python notebook file here. All of you, Python notebook file, double click on it. It is Python introduction data handling .ipynb, stands for IPython notebook file. Open with Google Colaboratory. Open with Google Colaboratory. Check this out. Open with Google Colaboratory. I'll tell you what is Colaboratory, how to work with it tomorrow. As of now, open with Google Colaboratory. This code file will get opened here. Okay. Those who are with me, who are able to do it, directly go ahead. If you are not with me, then if there is any problem, then I'll check that out. Okay, later on. Now here this file is empty because here you have to write the file. Sometimes this file will have some code inside it where you need to do copy to drive. This will be your code file. Sometimes you have to copy that code file to your drive. This will be the new copy. This will, here itself you will not be able to code. Sometimes you have to click copy to drive. Whereas here it's anyway blank file. Now you don't need that in this particular example. Sometimes you may need that in some of the folders. Okay. That is the task that you will be doing every week. I'll go through all the steps very quickly once again. With this time I'll show it with basic descriptive statistics folder. Basic descriptive statistics, material. Okay, look at this. Basic descriptive statistics, material is this one. I would say add shortcut to my drive. Within my drive, I'll go to classroom folder and then I'll add it in the drive, add shortcut. After adding shortcut, I'll go to my drive. I'll go to my classroom. I'll go to my classroom folder, basic statistics folder. I'll open the Python file. I'll open it with Google Colaboratory. Look at this. This file has some information, but I cannot execute. These have been already executed, or the owner of this file is Venkat. His face is also appearing here. What we need to do is copy to drive. Then it will create a copy of this file. Right now, this file is basic stats code, but a copy of this basic statistics code is what you will be working on in the classroom. Copy of basic statistics code. Are you clear on this, everyone? Perfect. Once you're done with all these steps, successfully created, loaded and everything, like successfully copied to your drive, opened this code file, created a copy of this, let me know, done with this whole process. Once you have successfully created the copy of code, let me know in the chat window.